In this video we will explore the 5 best luxury shower systems for 2026, highlighting their design, advanced features, and performance to help you upgrade your bathroom. From rainfall and waterfall functions to LED lighting and integrated sound systems, each model brings comfort and style. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. Aitana Digital Shower System. The Aitana Digital Shower System combines luxury and modern engineering through its gun-gray brass construction, offering both long-lasting durability and a refined appearance that elevates the overall look of any bathroom. Its digital display design stands out by allowing you to monitor and adjust water temperature with precision, eliminating sudden temperature changes and ensuring a consistently comfortable shower. A dual control layout separates hot and cold water adjustments, giving you full customization over your preferred temperature balance. The system's waterfall outlet creates a gentle, natural flow that delivers a spa-inspired experience, with water cascading smoothly for a calming and refreshing effect. Installation is straightforward and suitable for both new setups and upgrades. The package includes all essential components, such as a ceramic cartridge spool for reliable performance and a honeycomb soft bubbler that enriches the water stream, producing a softer, more pleasant feel on the skin. Additional comfort-oriented features include pulse massage water modes designed to relieve tension, as well as a spray gun that enhances convenience during cleaning tasks. These elements work together to offer a complete and user-friendly shower system. With its blend of functional digital control, elegant craftsmanship, and thoughtful comfort features, the Aitana Digital Shower System delivers a highly customizable and premium bathing experience. Its combination of style, precision, and ease of installation makes it a strong choice for anyone looking to modernize and improve their bathroom environment. Number 4. ETA NA Square Shower System. The ETA NA Square shower system begins with a gun-gray brass build that offers long-lasting durability and a refined, modern aesthetic suitable for a wide range of bathroom designs. Its LED digital display provides precise temperature readings, allowing you to fine-tune warmth levels and enjoy a consistent, comfortable shower without unexpected changes. As a wall-mounted setup, it maintains a clean, minimalist appearance while conserving space. The system supports constant temperature control, ensuring steady water warmth from the moment your shower starts until it ends. This reliability enhances comfort and creates a more relaxing routine. A 3-function bathroom faucet expands versatility, allowing you to switch effortlessly between rainy mode, waterfall mode, and handheld mode. The 16-inch top spray delivers a broad, full-body shower that replicates a spa-inspired experience, offering gentle coverage across the entire body. The hydropower technology powering the digital display eliminates the need for external electricity, improving safety and efficiency. Maintenance is simplified through an accessible design that allows servicing without removing wall sections, making long-term care more convenient. Its brass construction provides excellent resistance to corrosion and tarnish, reinforcing the system's longevity. With its combination of elegant styling, accurate temperature control, and practical functionality, the ETA NA Square shower system offers a premium upgrade for those seeking both comfort and modern innovation in their bathroom environment. Number 3. Aitana Brass Shower System. The Aitana Brass shower system begins with a luxurious black brass finish that blends long-lasting durability with a refined, modern appearance. Its wall-mounted structure maintains a clean profile while enhancing any bathroom decor. At the center of its functionality is an LED digital display that provides precise temperature readings, paired with dual control adjustments that let you balance cold and hot water simultaneously for a consistent and comfortable shower. A 4-function ceiling shower tap expands versatility, allowing you to choose between different spray styles depending on your preference. Whether you enjoy a soft rainfall sensation or a more concentrated spray, the system adapts easily. The square shower design adds generous coverage, creating a spacious and immersive shower environment without compromising aesthetics. Constructed from premium brass, the system resists corrosion and supports long-term performance with reliable, leak-free operation. Its minimalist, wall-mounted installation saves space and complements a wide range of bathroom layouts. By avoiding complicated smart integrations, the Aitana Brass shower system remains simple to operate while delivering dependable performance for daily use. This setup works well for users seeking a stylish upgrade or a sturdy replacement for an existing shower faucet. With its blend of customizable spray modes, accurate temperature control, and durable construction, the Aitana Brass shower system offers an elegant and practical enhancement that elevates comfort and convenience in any modern bathroom. Number 2. Gestana Chrome Shower. The Gestana Chrome Shower System features a wall-mounted ceiling thermostatic rainfall design built from refined copper with a polished chrome finish, providing both durability and a sleek contemporary look. Its intelligent LED digital display presents real-time water temperature and usage time, powered entirely by a built-in hydroelectric generator, eliminating the need for external electricity and maintaining safe, efficient operation. This system offers 3 spray modes tailored for different preferences. The rain-drenched setting provides a wide, soothing flow, the waterfall outlet delivers a smooth cascading stream, and the adjustable height handheld shower adds flexibility for targeted rinsing. The top spray incorporates an air boost function that produces a fuller and more invigorating water curtain for an immersive shower experience. Temperature adjustments are managed through an anti-slip dual control knob that separates cold and hot water regulation. The thermostatic valve core maintains a steady temperature of 38 degrees Celsius, protecting against accidental burns and ensuring comfortable, stable warmth throughout each shower. Installation is streamlined with a concealed one-touch control button that enhances the system's minimalist appearance. The ceiling spray measures 330 by 600 mm, offering expansive rainfall or waterfall coverage that enhances relaxation. Available in finishes such as Dark Night Spirit, White Silvery, Brushed Gold, and Phantom Gray, the Gestana Chrome Shower brings together modern safety features, intelligent functionality, and luxury styling to elevate the look and performance of any bathroom. Number 1. Boenn MBG550H. The Boenn MBG550H shower system combines luxury with advanced technology to deliver a premium rainfall shower experience. Its large top shower head is constructed from durable 304 stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and a polished, modern appearance. The system integrates 64 LED light colors, which can be controlled via remote control, the touch panel, or through a mobile device using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing full customization of lighting ambience. The built-in sound system connects to your phone via Bluetooth, enabling music playback directly through the shower head for a fully immersive and relaxing experience. Water flow is managed through a smooth diverter, supporting both hot and cold water. 3 spray modes, rainfall, mist, and waterfall, can be adjusted using a spin button to control the flow intensity according to preference. Designed for optimal performance, the system operates with water pressure between 0.3 and 0.5 megapascals, ideally at 0.4 megapascals, delivering a flow rate of 16 to 28 liters per minute. Certified with CE, IP67, QC, and UL, it ensures safety and reliability. The embedded control box measures 75 mm in depth, and temperature units can be switched between degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit, with real-time water temperature displayed for convenience. With its combination of LED lighting, immersive audio, versatile water modes, and robust construction, the Boenn MBG550H offers a sophisticated and technologically advanced shower experience suitable for any modern bathroom. There you have it, the top 5 luxury shower systems for 2026 that combine innovation, style, and functionality. Whether you are seeking spa-like relaxation or advanced technology in your bathroom, these options deliver exceptional performance.